Hexagon's Metrology Reporting is the latest in cloud-based reporting, part of Hexagon's Nexus platform. It's a cloud-based reporting tool providing real-time metrology information and insights. It enables increased productivity based on data-driven decision-making. Nexus is an open platform, enabling digital collaboration by connecting people, technologies, and data. Metrology Reporting centralizes disparate data sources into a single, intuitive dashboard. Metrology Reporting is simple to use. It's responsive, intuitive, and easy to learn. It's visual. Graphs, charts, and color ensure users focus on the data important to their task. Metrology Reporting intelligently supports customer workflows. On-the-fly filtering gives manufacturers advanced data not available from other reporting tools or simple PDFs. Complex analysis and trends become easy to understand. Metrology Reporting is accessible. It's available to any user at any time on any device. And it's scalable, so there's no limit to the number of users who can be logged in. With Metrology Reporting, manufacturers can make faster and smarter decisions with cloud-based access to reports, trends, and statistics on any device at any time. Onboard users in a modern and intuitive UX. Access data and insights quickly and efficiently. Metrology Reporting makes the user's job easier. Work confidently with secure access to data anytime, anywhere. Consolidate disparate reporting tools into one system so users can collaborate on centralized data. Onboard an unlimited number of simultaneous users. Sharing data is easy. There's no need to attach reports to emails. Metrology Reporting is simple, intelligent, and accessible. Get smarter reporting and insights to drive your business.